Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 GMC Terrain SLE. Stock number Z7469A. 53,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Quicksilver Metallic in color. The Terrain is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. And family friendly with hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides as well as power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power height adjustment, as well as power lumbar control, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway. And ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Terrain, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.